Hi, I'm Keith Mew. I'm the department leader of the Auto Collision and Refinishing department at Vancouver Community College. And we've been using the Skillveri app in our auto refinishing classes for the past year now. It's proven to be a fantastic introduction tool into automotive refinishing. It's going to give you some feedback that you don't get in real life, and that becomes very difficult to teach a student initially. So things like gun distance, how far away we're holding our spray gun to the distance, our travel speed, our movement. The beautiful thing about Skillveri is that it will give you a replay of what you've actually done, so you can see how you've been moving, and then able to correct it and see what you've done, good or bad. Here at the right now we're at Skills Nationals at Vancouver Convention Center, and we have the Skillveri app on the Oculus as a display and an interaction tool for all the students that are coming around, and it's very engaging and it's sparking a ton of interest into high school students to potentially get into the trade and see if they like it or not. So it's proven to be a fantastic introduction tool and engaging for young people.